Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over some easy stretches and mobilizations for low back pain and tightness. So this video, you'll need a small foam roller or something else that's about the same width. So the first stretch we're going to do is we're going to lay on our back and we're going to put the foam roller between our thighs with some gentle tension inwards, and you're just going to roll your hips and knees from one side to the other to tolerance, with the idea of trying to create more range of motion each rep. So it should be mild and gentle. You're not trying to force it at end range or really trying to stretch really hard, and it should be constant motion. So don't pause at the end range, just kind of go and then switch sides, and again just gently try to increase the range of motion with each rep. All right, the next one, we're going to cross our leg over and do the same thing but with a little different variation. Now with these stretches, some may help more than others, so focus on those. There is a trial and error component to it. All right, now the other hip, again, try to gently increase your range of motion side to side as you do it. Again, for me, this side seems a little bit stiffer, so I'm going to try to work more into that left rotation with the leg in this position. But again, it should be mild. There should be almost no pain, and should just be some mild tightness or discomfort as you go, but it should be able to go farther with each rep. Okay. Now we're going to just keep our feet together with our knees closed, and again, just try to increase the range of motion. You may find one side's a little stiffer than the other, so emphasize that. For me, it's my left side. And then we're going to roll over onto our stomach, and we're going to take our leg and press up and stretch to the opposite side. Again, press it up and stretch to the opposite side. Really, since we're trying to emphasize the low back, make sure it's in your low back and not your upper back. You can use your hands to support, but again, really try to go slow and just incorporate the area that you're trying to emphasize. And again, this should be mild, with some mild tightness or stiffness. It should never feel painful or stabby. All right, and for the fifth one, we're going to work on the lateral. So you're going to rock back and then just come here, hold for a sec, come here, and then you're going to rock back, hold to the opposite side, rock back. Again, trying to hold it at tolerable tension, but it should be mild. It should never feel painful or stabby. All right, that's it for today. This should give you some great options to help work out any back stuffness that you're dealing with.